Hi friends! Today we're going to do a writing lesson. Over the past week, you have read 3 different articles. You read Ice Cream Mania, Giant Pandas, and Classic Smoothie. Today, you're going to write about one of those. You're going to write an opinion about one of them. What's an opinion? An opinion is what you think or how you feel about something. The best part about an opinion is you can't be wrong. It's how you feel or what you think about something. The important part when you're writing your opinion, though, is explaining why you think that or why you feel that way. So I did an example. My example I did on the article Snail Foods. Snail Food is the article that you read last week. You're not going to use this article for your writing this today. So I'm just going to quickly reread it so that way you can have a refresher about what it was about. And then we'll talk about it and I'll show you how to write an opinion. Snail food. What do snails eat? Have you ever seen a snail crawling slowly along a leaf? If you have, then you have seen a hungry snail that is looking for a meal. Most snails eat plants, including leaves, fruit, bark from a tree, and mushrooms. Snail will even eat dirt. Dirt has the calcium that snails need to keep their shells strong. How do they eat? A snail's mouth is on the bottom of its head. Inside the mouth is an eating tool called a radula. A radula is like a tongue. It is covered with thousands of tiny sharp teeth. A snail scrapes its radula against food. The scraping breaks the food into small pieces that the snail can easily eat. This eating action can be seen and even heard. Feed a hungry snail a piece of apple or lettuce, then watch and listen very carefully. So I liked that article because I thought it was actually really interesting and cool. The best part I thought was that a snail has something called a radula, which is like a tongue with teeth, and I didn't know that before. So I'm going to write about that article, and I'm going to explain how to write an opinion piece. So when you're writing an opinion piece, you need at least 4 sentences, friends. You can use more than 4, but you need at least 4, okay? So your first sentence needs to tell your opinion. So what's your opinion about the article? Also, make sure that you include the article that you're writing about. So the sentence stem that you could use is, my favorite article was, and I wrote snail food. That's the article that I'm writing about. That's my opinion. That was my favorite article, okay? The second sentence, you need to give a reason. Why do you have this opinion? I liked it. I liked this article because I thought it was very interesting. That's my opinion. You can use the sentence stem, I like this article because. Now, the third sentence, you can either give another reason of why you liked that article, or you can give an example. So I chose to give an example because I said I thought it was very interesting. So why did I think it was interesting? I learned that a snail eats with a radula, which is kind of like a tongue with teeth. So you don't have a sentence stem because you can start it different ways, but please make sure that you include this third sentence. My last sentence is a closing. So you're restating your opinion again. So you can use the sentence stem, this is why my favorite article was. So my sentence says, this is why my favorite article was snail food. Notice I have 4 different sentences. I color them so that way you can understand which 4 sentences I have and how they relate to these 4 pieces that you need to make sure that you have, okay? When you are finished, please take a picture and send it to your teacher. We can't wait to see all of your hard work and your writing. See you later, friends. Bye.